In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Wrike, whether you're managing a project, collaborating with a team, or just keeping track of tasks. Wrike is a powerful tool for coordinating with others, and mentioning someone directly in a comment can be a fantastic way to ensure that they see important updates or notes specific to their role. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you regularly use. Simply type Wrike into the search bar and hit Enter. You should see Wrike's official website appearing at the top of your search results. Next, click on the site link and you'll be presented with the option to either log in if you already have an account, or try Wrike for free if you're new to the platform. For those of you already working in Wrike, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're just exploring today, feel free to take advantage of their free trial to get the full experience. Now, assuming you're logged into Wrike, navigate to the specific task, folder, or project where you want to add your mention. Wrike's interface is designed to help you easily manage and switch between projects, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding what you're looking for. Once you're in the right spot, look for the Comments section or the dedicated Info panel, depending on what you're using. This is generally where discussions, updates, and notes are shared. Click in this area to start your comment. To tag someone, begin typing their name directly within your comment. Wrike will intuitively help you out by generating a drop-down list of contacts that match what you're typing. When the list appears, simply select the appropriate person you want to tag. Make sure you choose the correct person, especially if you're working within a large team where there might be people with similar names. After tagging the person, you might want to add some context or additional information to your comment. This ensures that the person you tagged understands the purpose of their mention. Once you're satisfied with your message, there's nothing left to do but send it. Click the Send button, or if you're someone who loves shortcuts, use your preferred keyboard combination to send off your comment. And that's it. You've successfully tagged someone in Wrike. Utilizing this feature can greatly enhance your productivity and communication within the platform. Make sure to explore other features that Wrike offers to fully leverage this tool for your projects and collaborations. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.